Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can harvest your crops in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I've already planted the tomatoes and I'm going to show you guys how you can harvest the crops, which are the tomatoes. Okay, you can go to the gardens and you're going to click on this icon guys. Okay, like this. I'm going to harvest this one. Tap on this icon and yeah, I've already harvested the tomatoes. Okay, just like this. Okay guys, and that's how you can harvest the crabs in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.